have a lot to celebrate today.
Yes, we do.
Martin Luther King Day being the biggest. And
top of the list.
Also, number one. 4 years in a row.
I was going to say year to date, we don't have to say that anymore, right?
We're just into 24.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Delaware Cadillac, the Delaware Cadillac, right here, this one.
This place.
4 years in a row that we have been the number one dealer in the Philadelphia district. And that is thanks to each and every single one of you, and of course, all of our employees here, every salesperson, every person in the office, the service department, all of the people, and you too, Kaitlyn.
Really? Me too?
Yes, you get credit.
All right. It takes a team.
It
That's why we're auto team.
And not only were we number one by a very large margin, but we are number one in the entire Northeast.
Unbelievable.
The entire Northeast, hold on,
Go ahead.
for CT4V, CT5V, and Black Wing sales. There is not another dealer that you will find in the entire Northeast that delivers more brand new CT5V, performance sedans, Black Wings than we do.
Black Wing kings and queens.
That's amazing. And last month in December, we were number 2 in LYRIQ deliveries. Can you believe that? Number 2 in the entire Northeast. Wow. And we were in the top 10 of the nation in LYRIQ deliveries. All of that is thanks to all of you out there. And of course, we tried to communicate and continued to communicate with all the folks that had to wait so long. But LYRIQs are coming fast. So if you want yours, we're the place that you want to come. 2024 Cadillac XT4. You can donate to the United Way to get yours, or you could come buy this one. It's a luxury collection with an ultra-view sunroof and upgraded radio with 14 speakers.
Ooh.
Cold weather package, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's just $43,740. You're going to save $2,750. That is $500 in consumer cash. It's the spin, just to remind you.
Thank you.
And $2,250 in Cadillac lease loyalty. You haven't come out with a dance for that yet. That is $2,750. You're going to buy it for $40,990 right here, right now. And it's all newly redesigned XT4. And you can lease it for
34? Remind me of the numbers again?
Well,
I remember, no, yeah, just go ahead. Remind me of those numbers. I remember the monthly payment.
so do I.
I just don't remember
Look for the
down
deed signing
payment.
below, and it's going to be $429 a month.
I know, that was the part I knew.
And we
Are going to pay your first 4 lease payments.
And please pay attention to the money due at signing that Kaitlyn forgot below. I memorized the Bible. 2024, we have delivered a ton of LYRIQs. We've got more coming, and we have a unique opportunity with some of the ones that are on the ground right this minute and a couple that are coming in that are available. There is an issue with certain components of the battery that have changed as far as the regulations for the tax credit. Cadillac has stepped up with their Ultium promise, and they are giving an allowance in the form of the $7,500 you would otherwise have gotten as a tax credit.
Wow. Wow.
And there's income limits on that, so you might not have gotten it. But you can right now on this car at $63,330. This luxury collection LYRIQ is going to be yours for only $55,830.
All right.
Isn't that incredible?
That is incredible.
Like the color Emerald Lake Metallic with the sky cool gray interior.
It's beautiful.
And the Santorini blue, if I pronounce that right, accents. The LYRIQ, once you've driven it, you'll understand why there's a lot of people out there, not just for the conversion of electric, but just for the car. It's amazing. Come see it, come drive it, come buy it, or come lease it for yourself.
Yes, and I know this number, $3,015 due at signing, and it's 15 on this one and that one because Martin Luther King's birthday is the 15th, and your monthly lease payment will be $789 a month.
And it's $789 a month, and even on a LYRIQ, we will pay.
Your first 4 lease payments.
It's 2024, and this is a 2024 brand new Cadillac XT6, 3 rows of fun and luxury.
I was really looking for the rhyme of like, and it's rolling through the door or something like that. Where are these? I usually get a rhyme in there.
Trying to cut down on time.
Okay, fine.
Trying to keep
all
things
right.
short.
All right, all
kind
right,
of
all
elongating.
right.
all-wheel drive, stellar black metallic, ultra-view sunroof, and so much more. $52,815. But when you come through the door,
Thank you.
save $4,750. That's $1,000 in my new favorite, down payment assistance.
Oh, yeah, that's where we drop it down
Yes.
low.
Or maybe my other favorite, $500 in bonus cash.
All right. The OG.
And $3,250. That's not worth Kaitlyn's time to dance to, but it's worth your time and Cadillac lease loyalty. It is very much worth your while because now you're going to buy it for $48,065. Or if you want to lease it.
You can lease it for $35.15 due at signing.
Very nice.
Bringing your monthly
Same
lease.
number as the car you forgot.
I know, but I remembered it this time. Thanks for bringing it up.
Thank you.
And your monthly lease payment will be $469 a month.
I was really hoping you would have rhymed that. And it's Delaware Cadillac, so we
Pay your first 4 lease payments. So here we have a beautiful 2024 XT5 Premium Luxury Collection in Midnight Sky Metallic.
It's a premium luxury collection with the ultra-view sunroof, and it has heated seats, heated steering wheel, memory seats, remote start, and so much more.
All the
Backup
above.
camera, parking sensors. And you can buy it for $53,440, or you can save $4,750. That's $1,000 in down payment assistance, and $500 in bonus cash, and $3,250 in Cadillac lease loyalty if you're currently in a Cadillac lease, and you're going to buy it for $48,690. And you know what? With all of the just nostalgia and the moment that we are having, I forgot. Cadillac's got 3.9% APR for up to 48 months right now.
What?
Everybody's worried the rates are high. They are
Right,
high.
right.
Leave your money in the bank where you can, well, wherever it's invested, where you can earn more interest, 3.9% for up to 48 months on this brand new Cadillac and the XT6 as well as the XT4 with that down payment assistance.
Pretty impressive.
It is impressive.
You can lease this vehicle for $3,515 due at signing. Either way you want to say it.
You're
same
doing
thing.
it good.
And your monthly lease payment will be $479 a month.
You got it down. We're just discussing so much.
I know. There's a lot to cover.
$479 a month, and it a lease, and we will pay.
Your first 4 lease payments.
We appreciate each and every one of you, all of you, for continuing watch, like, subscribe, do all of that, and take.
Exit 7.
And come here in person and experience Cadillac Heaven.